Stay cool and hydrated with lime and cucumber drink. It's a refreshing way to supercharge your body and reap the amazing health benefits. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a super delicious and refreshing cucumber and lime drink. First, let's go get some fruit. Now, we're back in the kitchen, and I always like to make sure that everything I need is ready. Let's take a look. Cucumbers. Make sure to look for cucumbers that are firm with smooth skin. Lime or lemon if you like. Sugar or any sweetener of choice. Water. Spoon. Knife. A sieve. A bowl. And a blender. We're using 2 cucumbers. I'm going to cut one in half and use the other half as a garnish. I'm going to use the second one without the skin. I'm going to peel off all the skin from the second one. Make sure the cucumbers are washed before you use them. I've washed my own cucumbers. Let me give you a couple of reasons why you should drink lime and cucumber drink. One, it alkalizes the body. Lime and cucumber drink are alkaline forming foods that will help your body to function at its optimal level. A balanced pH is everything if you want to stay healthy. Another benefit is that it helps clear your skin. A lime and cucumber drink is packed with vitamin C, oxidants, and silica. Silica is nature's anti-aging secret. Lime and cucumber drink will cleanse toxins from your body that would normally erupt as unsightly blemishes. This drink also helps with your muscular health. The silica in cucumber is a mineral necessary to keep connective tissue healthy. This drink also promotes healing. Vitamin C and antioxidants double as an immune system booster, helping to fight free radicals and stay well. It also helps you to drink more. Better tasting drink just may prompt you to drink more of it. Lime and cucumber drink worked for me. I like to taste of cucumber and lime in my water. So I always blend this cucumber and lime, add a little sweetener, and fill it up with water. It's better than soda and soft drinks. Cucumber and lime drink also boosts your energy level. Drink first thing in the morning and it will give you a nice boost, all thanks to the vitamin C, potassium, and phytonutrients that it contains. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Bye!